Welcome to the Global Community Series, Goals for an Interconnected World Programme. Creating new global connections is a significant part of any student's university journey. UCD Global coordinates the Global Community Series, which runs for 11 consecutive weeks across the autumn trimester. And its main purpose and priority is to focus on strengthening your intercultural skills so that you'll be able to thrive in our global academic community as well as beyond within your global career.
The Global Community Series allows students to take part in different cultural events and gives them an opportunity to meet and talk to their peers and get connected to others around the university.
Being a global citizen isn't just traveling all the way to another country, but actually being intentional and being able to relate with people, being open to perspectives.
Our program features a diverse range of 21 different cultural events and workshops that will look at intercultural competency and communication, as well as cross-cultural awareness.
My favorite session was telling your story online, which actually made me reflect that you could reach a broader community rather than just your immediate environment, because you don't know who exactly might need your story at that point in time.
The series taught me that stronger communities are built when people are willing to listen, learn, and embrace cultural differences.
Sometimes the biggest barrier isn't actually the culture itself, but it's actually how we perceive ourselves in it.
The most surprising thing that I learned was how small cultural differences shape the way that people think, communicate, or just see the world in general. That something might seem normal to someone might seem completely different to somebody else.
I feel community in itself is actually the way you engage and you reflect with other people.
It gave me a strong sense of responsibility to think beyond just my own community.
Learn about the Global Community Series on the UCD Global website. You'll be able to find a detailed breakdown of our program, as well as our Cultural Toolkit PDF that will have the program schedule as well as links for registration.